Matthias Leitner, he's just working on our new welding cell. We call it the Terminator760, please, which is a beautiful machine. You see the flippers. We can process beams up to a width of 760 millimeter. The concept is almost the same like the single rail, but only weld out. That means we are not assembling on that line. It's a very efficient, very fast weld out line. You can do fillet welds, semi-penetration welds, multi-pass layers, all on 1.2 mil solid core. Our welding cell is Fronius, which is of course a very well-known Austrian company. Within, let's say recently even, we are working on the newest welding cell from Fronius, which is approximately 20% faster than the old welding cells, which have been already supporting us very well, of course. But by software integration, software changes, these welding cells are a lot more efficient and a lot quicker. So you see, measuring by laser, stick out for the welding wire and weld it out. Just click a button and the machine will do. Let me mention that we are not teaching these robots. We are taking the three-dimensional data from 3D modeling software like Tekla, Advanced Steel, then we have SDS2 from America. We have done the interfaces just to download the 3D data and go directly to the machine by Profit software generating the production data. You simply can say for assembling 1 minute, 15 seconds, one part. Arc on time on the welding cell, I would say it's approximately 60%, whereas manual weld out is 25% of arc on time of one guy working on the machine. So we can offer such a cell with 2 robots, and we can build it in extended version. That means we have the welding tower opened with a tunnel, and the big manipulator can then go underneath this tunnel as well. Scanning, understanding precisely where we are, and weld it out.